What is up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a table in Google Forms. So first off, head over to Google Drive or just simply search for drive.google.com and make sure you have signed in with your Google account. After that, on your home page, on your left side, simply click on New and then click on Google Forms. And then after here, click on Blank Form. So it will open a new blank form from scratch. As you can see, form has been opened and you can just enter your title, enter your questions, everything. So for now, I have this table as an example. So I'll just show you how you can add this image in your Google Forms. So to add, just simply click on this add inline image and make sure you have the snippet of the table that you want to insert in this Google form. So from here, just simply click browse. As you can see, I have added my image. Now, after clicking on three dots, you can just left align, center align, right align, or you can just change this image, or you can even remove this image. For the cleanliness, I'll just simply click on center align, so it will align on the center. And make sure when you upload the picture and you are done with your form, just simply click on publish to actually save your work. So as you can see, this is published and my work is saved, and this is how you can add your image in Google Forms. That was all for the video. Thank you for watching.